given a condition that A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and we have to show that A square by 2A square plus BC plus B square by 2B square plus AC plus C square by 2C square plus AB is equal to 1. So with this given condition we will prove this. So here we can take this condition A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now we multiply both sides with A, then it will be A square plus AB plus AC is equal to 0, and we rearrange this. A square plus BC is equal to minus AB minus AC plus BC, and we will again take A square both sides, then it will be 2A square plus BC is equal to A square minus AB minus AC plus BC. Then it will be if we take common from first two terms, it will be A minus B plus C. দাঁড়াও না গো, তুমিও জি লাগিয়ে দাও।
কি 34 আছে, এটা হবে?
ও বন্ধও করেনি। Again we can similarly we can rearrange A plus B plus C is equal to 0, and we will find out in this form 2B square plus AC is equal to A minus B C minus B, and 2C square plus AB is equal to A minus C C minus B. Then with these values we will replace this and we will find out the problem in this way. Left hand side A square by 2A square plus BC plus B square by 2B square plus AC plus C square by 2C square plus AB is equal to we will replace the denominators by these factors. So we will get A square by A minus B A minus C plus B square A minus B C minus B, sorry, and this plus this will be minus. If we arrange this, then it will be here. After rearrangement it will be minus sign will come. Actually it will be C minus A C minus B. If we arrange, then it will be there will come a minus sign, so it will be minus C square by A minus C C C minus B. So now if we take first two terms, then it will be A minus B, A minus C, C minus B, and it will be A square C minus B plus B square A minus C, and the third term C square by A minus C, C minus B. If we break this brackets, then it will be A square C minus A square B plus B square A minus B square C, A minus B, A minus C, C minus B. This will be C square by A minus C, C minus B. Then again if we arrange first term and fourth term and second and third, then it will be C A square minus B square minus AB A minus B, and here it will be A minus B, A minus C, C minus B, and this will be C square by A minus C, C minus B. Then we can take this way. It will be from A square minus B square, we will take the factor A minus B, and we will get AC plus BC minus AB, and here we will get A minus B, A minus C, C minus B, and the third term C square by A minus C, C minus B. So we can cancel A minus B, since A not equal to B not equal to C, we have to take. So we will get in this way AC plus BC minus AB by A minus C, C minus B. This will be C square A minus C, C minus B. Again we solve these two terms. There it will be A minus C, C minus B, A minus C. Here we will get A minus C and C minus B. So we have to take these two factors, then we will get AC plus BC minus AB minus C square. Now we will take again the first and fourth term and second and third for common, then we will get C A minus C, and here we will get B. If we take minus B, then we will get C minus B. Here we will get A minus C, C minus B. Then if we take the common C minus B, A minus C, A minus C and C minus B. So you can look that the upper factors and the lower factors are same. So you'll get the result 1, and this is right hand side. So it is proved in this way. Thanks for watching.